Are you tired of paying sky-high rent? Do you dream of owning a home but don't have the budget? Well, Elon Musk has the solution for you. The Tesla $10,000 home. That's right, you can now own a fully functioning home for just 10 grand. But don't let the price fool you. This home is anything but basic. If you're looking for an inexpensive home, look no further than Tesla's new ridiculous 10,000 model. The Tesla home, like all Tesla goods, is of superior quality and delivers on customer expectations. In this video, we'll go over all the details of the Tesla house and how it works. Like all other Tesla goods, the Tesla new home is built with sustainability in mind. Elon is committed to lessening his impact on the planet's climate. The house will run solely on solar power and is designed to be very basic to achieve this. 2 Tesla Powerwalls are installed in the $10,000 Tesla home. Powerwalls are battery devices that may store energy generated by solar panels or from the grid. This enables the residents to have backup power during power outages and to use solar energy even when the sun isn't shining. Each Powerwall has a capacity of 13.5 kilowatt per hour, bringing the total capacity of the 2 Powerwalls in the Tesla 10,000 home to 27 kilowatts per hour. This is enough energy to keep the house running for around 2 days during a power outage. The Powerwalls are also linked to the home's solar panels, allowing them to store excess solar energy during the day and consume them at night. This can assist minimize the home's reliance on grid electricity while also saving money on energy costs. The Tesla app controls the Powerwalls in the Tesla 10,000 house. Users may use the app to monitor their home's energy usage and check how much energy is stored in their Powerwalls. Users may also operate the Powerwalls via the app, such as turning them on or off or scheduling them to charge or discharge at specific times. The Powerwalls is an important aspect of the home's sustainability characteristics. They contribute to the home's energy efficiency and minimize its reliance on fossil fuels. Powerwalls also provide backup power during outages, providing homeowners with peace of mind. Using this technology is a testament to Elon's commitment to environmental sustainability, just like how he has banned the use of Bitcoin to buy Tesla products, in a bid to reduce the company's carbon footprint. This is due to the sheer volume of computers involved in Bitcoin mining. Fossil fuels which are used to power computers are not sustainable. Going back, Elon Musk has invested in the business Boxable, which is designed as a sustainable, prefabricated home. The house may be disassembled into its components parts, steel, concrete, and EPS foam, and transported in a standard shipping container. Since steel, concrete, and EPS foam are used in the construction of the mystery house, its contents are rather obvious. The exterior of the house is composed of hardwood, the choice of which took years of prototyping to ensure it would not decay. The laminated panels used for the walls, floors, and roofs meet the requirements for lawful highway use. It can be folded and put together at its final location in a day or less. Even Elon tweeted that the Tesla Model X might be used to transport them. A Tesla home's portability makes it an excellent choice for use as a camping shelter in the countryside. It provides all the comforts of home despite being hundreds of miles away from civilization. The Tesla house is designed to work seamlessly with other Tesla goods, such as a Tesla automobile charging station, thus eliminating the need to seek a Tesla supercharging station. Some of the Tesla appliances in the micro home can be operated by the soon-to-be-released Tesla smartphone. It would be fascinating to see how the various Tesla products work together. Not only that, the Tesla home is an exceptionally housing solution designed to offer durability, comfort, and sustainability. Built to withstand winds of up to 130 miles per hour, this innovative structure ensures resilience even in challenging weather conditions. The home's insulation is carefully engineered to maintain a comfortable interior temperature year-round, providing warmth during winter and keeping the space cool in the summer. In line with its eco-conscious design, the Tesla home incorporates a rainwater collection system that efficiently captures and stores rainwater, which can be utilized for both drinking and irrigation purposes. Furthermore, the inclusion of a robust security system guarantees peace of mind for homeowners, offering enhanced protection and safety. Additionally, the Tesla home seamlessly integrates with modern amenities by enabling connectivity to the internet and utilities, ensuring a convenient and technologically advanced living experience. The home's dimensions are 20 by 20, giving it a total of 376 square feet of living space. There's a bedroom, a living room, a kitchen, and a bathroom. There is a stove, a fridge, and a sink in the kitchen. It includes a shower and a toilet. A couch, television, and coffee table furnish the living area. There is a dresser and a queen-size bed in the room. Inside the Tesla small house is a digital design studio where guests can create solar energy systems for their homes. It's more of a showroom for Tesla products than a completely functional residence. Thus, the decor is sparse. There couldn't be a better time for the introduction of the Tesla home concept. It's arrived at a time when there is a high cost of housing, which means that most people can't afford to buy their own. Furthermore, the slow expansion of the real estate sector is not keeping up with the rising demand for housing, complicating matters even further. But now, things are easier than ever before. Due to Elon and his insanely affordable Tesla home, in the United States, poor families who are disproportionately made up of people of color often lack access to affordable housing may now be able to purchase one. After making inroads in the United States, Tesla is pushing its smart home in Down Under. The marketing crew behind Tesla is taking the car on a road trip across Australia, stopping in important cities like Sydney, Melbourne, and New South Wales. People in the cities the Tesla team has visited are very interested in hearing more about the unusual home that runs entirely on renewable energy. The tour is designed to provide a one-on-one educational experience on how to integrate Powerwall and solar to seamlessly power an entire home 24/7. Tesla said, allowing Australian consumers to gain control and understanding of their power use. One of Tesla's new initiatives in Australia is the Tiny House Tour. Even though it plans to construct the largest battery system in the world in South Australia, the firm does not currently sell solar panels there. It might be a reach to say that the outrageous new Tesla home will save the world, but it would undoubtedly assist in doing so. The primary reason for this is that it is sustainable, which will significantly minimize the carbon footprint. Did you know that while this is happening, the CEO is wrapped in rumors? Elon Musk, in contrast to most other billionaires, is said to reside in a modest, low-cost Tesla home. The CEO of Tesla moved in after selling his previous 6 homes. The tiny home is situated in Bukashka, close to Elon Musk's SpaceX business. But when his 5 teenagers from his first wife come to visit, it's hard to see how Musk manages to live in such a cramped space. As if it weren't enough to fuel speculation that Elon lives in a Tesla home, in November of 2020, Boxable tweeted that they are putting up a prefab for a prominent, undisclosed client in Bukashka. Musk's connection to the prefab dwelling is established by the fact that he too resides in Bukashka. Elon dispelled the rumors with a tweet. My primary home is literally a $50,000 house in Bukashka Starbase that I rent from SpaceX. It's kind of awesome though. Only house I own is the events house in the Bay Area, and if I sold it, the house would see less use unless bought by a big family, which might happen someday. Nonetheless, the Tesla $10,000 home is a unique and innovative option that has the potential to revolutionize the housing market. Well, that's all for this video about Tesla's $10,000 home. I hope you find it informative and entertaining. If you're interested in learning more about this innovative house, be sure to check out the links in the description below. And if you're thinking about buying one, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.